Ikea. I love pistachios.
Only £2.
Can I keep it? I wonder who said that? Hey best friends, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Hello, hi, if you're new. I'm not sure how you found me, but I hope you stick around. For today's video, we are at Ikea. I am with Poppy. Would you like to formally introduce yourself? Who are you? How do we know each other?
I'm Poppy, I'm your sister.
A video with Poppy on her wedding vlog, but she wasn't really in it a lot, but it's a dedicated video to me and Poppy. You're all nice to her. We are at Ikea. Poppy picked me up about half an hour ago. I know that when I put my flat video up, some people said, oh, can you go to Ikea? Have you got a list of what you want?
I've got a few things, yeah.
What would you like?
I like some new baking sheets. Mine are really boring things, they're not very exciting things. I want a new pizza sheet.
Wow.
And I need some frames for some of our wedding photos.
All I want is chop pillows. Massive pillows where you just chop them.
What colour do you want them?
White. We're gonna walk around Ikea, probably get some meatballs, and have a great day. When did you last come to Ikea?
When we first got a house, which was a year ago.
Do you come to Ikea a lot?
No, not really.
So how does this work then? So we get one of these?
Yeah, so you can get borrow a shopping bag instead of a basket.
That man's staring at me.
And then around all the rooms that are like this. And you can like either pick up things or you can buy.
I bet loads of people are going to be watching me like, yeah, we know how Ikea works. I don't know.
Yeah, you would take this information and when you go into the warehouse, you then pick it up.
Can you pick up these?
Yeah, but these can look like people will touch them. So if it's like in a packet like that, you can. Then you go into the proper warehouse and then you can. There's somewhere where you can like write notes and stuff as well.
Are all Ikeas the same?
Yeah, Joe wants them to pick up.
That's so cute. Welcome to our wedding. Why didn't you do this setup for your wedding, Poppy?
Stacey Solomon set up.
Stacey Solomon got a collab with Ikea?
Yeah.
All of this is her stuff, or just?
No, like she got married to Joe Swash and then she did it at her house, the cottage, and she got all of these things that were donated for her wedding and then she donated them to the need.
Wow, she knows stuff, doesn't she? This is so nice. If anyone's getting married. So does it say the prices of everything?
Not on those, no. But
does it normally?
You can go up to them where they actually are.
Oh my god, some pampas grass. I've always wanted some. I didn't get a lot of homeware stuff because I was like, oh, I'm going to be going to Ikea. But it's also my birthday on Tuesday. I don't really know what to get, to be honest. Can I keep it?
Because these are a borrow ones and the actual ones are blue.
Oh. That's alright. We're in Ikea. It's a nice blanket.
The things will look like, the pillowcase that you want.
Aww. Chairs sort of like for old people there. Oh, I've got one of these. I've got a similar coffee table on my list. What does pillow insert mean?
The inside of a pillow.
That's tiny.
Yeah, it folds out and then you get air in it.
No, I don't like that one. I need to be able to see them. I think this is the mirror that I have.
You can take shortcuts, but we're not going to take.
We're not doing shortcuts. This is the mirror that I have in the flat. Oh, this is the one that I have. It's my outfit of the day. We come here. We are sisters, but we're very, very different vibes. So I've got this one piece on and a shirt, and you've got
jeans and a blouse.
Lovely. This is the one that I have in my living room because when me and Ella came once, that is the one that I picked up because I couldn't actually get that one in my car because it's too big. Yummy, yummy. Did they ever change the rooms around?
Like every season.
Oh, they must have loads of spare stuff then in the warehouse.
Sell it all.
If in doubt, if in doubt, peace and pout. I see so many of these in student uni houses. Yeah, I feel like I see loads of these items because they're just so cheap. What's that dial on there for?
It's got a speaker in.
Whoa!
No, it's got an air purifier.
What?
It means it automatically detects the particles in there and then adjusts the fan speed so you can think about other things.
That's cool, isn't it? Maybe my kitchen cabinets are Ikea. So many of these things that I've seen before just from like being at uni. Gosh, where do you even go? This is, I mean, I know there's arrows, but it's huge. Oh, Poppy, I want some big jars to put, not like that.
There'll be loads in the market for.
Is that like clearance?
No, it's like basically, you know, this has got all of the furniture in. The market hall just has stuff you can pick up.
To get some big jars for spaghetti, but I want them different sizes. Maybe like spaghetti, rice. Oh, these are the frames that you want. There's loads of frames. Ella actually needs a frame, but for a uni certificate. So Ella, if you are watching this, which I hope you are. I'm just gonna take you guys around here while Poppy's doing that. If I just had a new home and it was like pure blank canvas, I would come here because those sofas are like cheaper than how much sofa from like DFS would be. But sofas are quite expensive. Hope you guys enjoyed this IKEA vlog. You really enjoy it when I take you around with me. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, that was really fun, wasn't it? You put it portrait or landscape?
You mean like this? I've got Joe a tube map with all those Arsenal things on.
Jess supports Arsenal, we support Leeds.
Arsenal on top of the league at the moment.
Do you want to carry the bag?
Not really.
Thank you. This is nice, but I think I'd want the television maybe a little bit higher. I don't really like the things above it.
I put them boxes.
Did you get all your stuff in the living room from IKEA?
Like
you know, that setup that you have?
it doesn't show you, like literally like it looks like
It looks like a showroom, does it?
only £2.
It's so cheap, isn't it? Poppy, you know my cookie jar? Yeah. If anyone remembers from my flat tour, it's my cookie jar. This is nice. Oh, have you seen that bread bin TikTok thing of IKEA? Put the two sides together and then you've got a little cupboard, but put legs on it as well. You can do.
Yeah, they're only £15. That's only going to be like £30.
Yeah, but as me and Poppy were just saying that Coldplay announced, was it 8 more tour dates?
Really?
Yeah, I think it was 8 more tour dates. They were around mine and Robson's anniversary, so we could go, but we're not really Coldplay fans, so there wouldn't actually really be any new. Do they sell coffee table books? Do they? I want the Tom Ford one, but they sell it at Costco. But I don't actually know anyone with a Costco card.
What do you like?
Poppy's got a Costco card. Well, Joe's got a Costco card. Can we use it? Get it. Where are we? We're only number 1.
And then the marketplace is all this bit.
Where do you get food from? Because we're getting food. Oh my god, there's so much to go.
You're going to literally say Milan.
Wow, I think we need to go around to Poppy and Joe's, guys. I don't like this, all those tigers, that's a little bit scary. Is that part of the setup as well?
Not that. Probably not.
I feel like Mum, she could go on a rogue one and she might like these.
This is very rogue.
I'm really not a fan of this. Like, that just shades those light. God, they must be old. Look at the...
Is it an actual map book? I think it is.
Hey, Poppy, who am I? Yeah.
These are really good when you haven't got much space.
Oh, I've seen these for shoes.
Yeah.
Have you seen my new basket that I got from Primark?
No.
I got a new basket from Primark, but there wasn't a price on it, but the other ones were £6. So I think this one's £6. So she gave me it, but I don't think I can return it. Now I'm here, I don't know whether I should have got it or not.
Why?
Oh, because the ones here look a little bit bigger. Oh, that's what Poppy and Joe have. What do you have in there normally?
Got like board games and stuff.
Ooh. It's just so many things.
Yeah, I think something you probably wouldn't know was IKEA.
That's quite good for that price, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good. You can see why people go.
Yeah. Why do more people not come here? Because they want like they don't want to be like everyone else. That people don't come
You
here.
can dress it so many different ways.
Oh, we're getting into jars. Whoa, this is a bright section. This is a nice setup. That mirror's a bit weird. I bet some people literally copy that exact setup, as in like the chairs, everything. This is like my Instagram feed, these colours in here. Neutrals. That's half my mirror. So I don't want jars like this that flick open. I want ones that have a top. I don't know exactly what top I want. Have you read It Ends With Us?
No, not yet.
I'm currently listening to the audiobook. It's great.
Listening to the audiobook of Persuasion by Jane Austen.
Two very, very different vibes.
Different people.
Oh, pistachio green. I love pistachios. This is really nice. Oh, not jars like that, like tall ones, but with a lid like
I
that.
think they do have those ones in the market though.
Ooh.
It's nicer than I thought.
Yeah, pistachio.
I don't like it with that though. I don't think that's pistachio, that's pistachio. I like these ones.
Oh,
And when you're done.
perfect. I think Ella's mum got some fake lilies from IKEA and she was like, they're amazing.
They do look very real.
Yeah, they do look real. I like just this setup, you know. So does this all in one or is this just for the top? Because this is 4, 5, 6. So is that for all of it?
This combination is it. That's actually so cheap. Cabinets, fronts, handles, interior fittings, hinges, cover panels, bones, extra sink. That's good.
I don't know how much it normally is. You can do it yourself, but you don't have to. Oh, I don't like this. It's a wet room.
I've heard really bad reviews about these.
What are they?
They're like, so you buy
I don't like it, I don't like it.
And then you put it on, but everyone says that they don't last very long.
I don't like it. These would be nice if they had different handles. Oh, that's just so weird to... Some chalk. Poppy sings! Poppy sings! They knew you were coming. There's a bread bin again. I can't even get table mats because I haven't got the table out in my flat. Got a lot of kitchen content for you, so we're going to walk through the kitchen and then I'll look over when we're at the next place. Now in the desk section. Oh, this is for like a nail salon. Do they sell UV lamps? Surely not. Oh, nails and fairy tales. Oh.
I think you're showing you how you can use all those things in your home then.
Yeah, it's good. I think I want to get in my room somewhere or in the corner of the living room, like a long, like olive tree, like a fake olive tree plant. What do you think about that?
I have loads of those here.
Well, yeah, but do you think that look nice? It's so weird in that place.
I think it look nice.
I'm not really that bothered about desk chairs, so I'm just going to quickly skim over this area. Ooh.
Loads of people at work have there.
It's electric.
Yeah.
Battery.
Yeah, you pick which one you want it in.
They're cool, but I'll just make one myself.
What do you mean?
Maybe I'm not make one myself, but I wouldn't spend however much on an electric one. £500? No way. Can anyone remember in the YouTube era, 2013 era, when all the makeup people had these Alex 9 drawers? I once got some, but for some reason I couldn't build them properly. But I remember when everyone was getting these Alex 9 drawers. I think I saw Emily Canham had them, and I was like, I need these right now. But they're actually really cool. Oh, into bedrooms now. That's a low bed frame, isn't it? Are you texting Poppy? Oh. And I think as well, I had a mirror cabinet. Yeah, it opens like this, but I had the smaller one, so Mum didn't trust me in such a big one. I'm just such a white, basic girl. Like, I don't want colourful stuff. I know that Ella wants sage and terracotta bedding, and Poppy's you got black and white bedding on at home in your room.
Our room is, yeah.
And a green bed.
And
Yeah,
black furniture.
I could never do that. This is that famous bed that pulls out. It's the pillow that I have, that pregnancy pillow. So we found out that the pillow that I want
Is what I told you about.
Poppy actually picked it up because we saw this video and it was IKEA hidden gems, but they're not really hidden gems if they're in IKEA. I wonder who said that. It's like going to Zara and saying, oh, I've had a hidden gem. It's not, it's just a top that's in Zara. We found this pillow and it's the 50 by 50, and turns out Poppy's already actually got them. So she knows exactly what we're on about.
With the linen covers.
With linen colours, but I need to get them a size too small. Do you sell clothes in IKEA? Oh. When Poppy got her room redone back at home, Poppy got that, and I got one from Dunelle, but it was a little bit smaller. And Poppy's obviously, yeah, it's like got what's the word, like French style. We swapped them over when I was living at home over summer, and I've got it. Oh, this is what I saw. It's like a little vlogging setup, and you can do different colours. Wow, and then you put your phone in here. This is still got liquid in it. Would you get a frame like this for you and Joe? It's quite cute. I wonder who that is. If that couple know that they're in IKEA. Oh, I love that. You know, when you open the wardrobe and then the lights come on. I wonder who came up with IKEA. Poppy, I want a rug like that, but white. Oh, I love this. I see this girl on TikTok and she's got literally this exact setup with the lights. Do you like Molly May's new wardrobe? Have you watched it?
How was the video? I've seen it on Instagram.
What do you think of it?
It looks fine.
We're just working out what time they serve meatballs because everyone's got breakfast at the moment.
11 AM.
What time is it now? Let's go. Let's go. Got our meatballs. Here we are. We got 8 meatballs each. And I got a Fanta. We got a Pepsi. And that's it. Oh, and I got a donut. Got a donut as well, just because I fancied something sweet, you know? So we're going to have this. And we'll see after we've had it. Just finished lunch. We are now in the blue toy section. Oh, have you seen the marshmallow teddies at the moment? They're like, Ella's got one. It's like you squidge it and it's like really soft like a marshmallow. Oh, that's so full out of bed. I only know a few people that have young children. Ooh. That's sturdy, isn't it? Poppy, what's around here? Oh, you finished carrying it.
I'm too tired. I don't carry my own things. That's what I've got.
We've just don't put that in the vlog. Joe will be watching like, you can shut up.
I want to make a nice berry crumble this winter.
Okay. You'll see when I did my birthday vlog this week, Poppy's making my birthday cake. And I really wanted a love heart cake, but I don't know what I want on top of it. Feeling 22 or just happy birthday. Here we go, baby. Wow. So the cookie jar that I have is this one. I could put spaghetti in there. They've got these mini ones, but I don't know what I would put in them. I need to find some other jars or something. Yeah, like, it's annoying that there's actually only 3 different things. Let me have a look. Gosh, this market hall is so cool. Okay, right, we're getting into... Nah, these are just glasses up here. There's nothing else that I would want. Unless I get a little one, but I don't know what I would put in there. I don't know whether to get it just so that they all go together. These espresso cups. Oh, I like that colour of plate. Oh, that's nice.
Right, this is where you're going to find your pillow over here. Okay, right, so what you do is you pick, like, so this is the cup, like, so I know you don't want, these are the linen ones I was saying about.
Right.
So you find which one you want and then find the size. Right. So these ones would fit exactly.
Yeah, I want a little bit smaller.
Yeah, okay, so that's what I'm saying. So you need to go
40 by 40.
Yeah, and find, I'm not sure, like, they only do certain sizes.
Is that what you've got?
Yeah, I've got this in black.
Oh,
no, mine's bigger than this.
Yeah, I was going to say.
But mine's
I like that, I like this. Look at that, that's the same.
This is the 50-50 one. Oh, this one feels different inside. I want to hold it up and through chocolate. Nope. You're going to do that aggressive. Do it light. I want this pillow. I want this now.
Yeah, I like the ones that I've got duck feathers in them more. Or feels like I don't like these colours. One would like this in the lounge. This is the one I want, but it's display only. I need to somehow find it. It's called 9. We found a bigger one. Are these same size? Oh, where is this 9? I decided to get the 2 bigger ones because we couldn't find the Nyan because they're out of stock. Oh, there's more pillows here. Oh wow. There's cooling ones as well. Look at these, Poppy. They've got a cooling pad. Oh yeah, look, cooling side.
Ooh,
that's so nice.
How much it is?
It's £60.
They wanted a rug.
Yeah, but I don't know how much they were, to be fair. Oh, we're in it. We're in the rug section. Hey Poppy, have a guess what colour rug I want?
White.
Yeah. They've got these that are just like the basic rugs that literally every family has. But I don't want one of them. Poppy, they've got no plain white rug. Way more frames here. Flipping it. Take the shoes off. Oh, there's loads of prints. I thought about getting some Desenio prints, you know. I would love to work in Desenio if you're watching this. So many wall decorations. Ooh, look at all these mirrors. My favourite section ever. When I came here with Ella quickly, we looked at this flower section. I'm surprised that they don't have any fake pampas grass. These are nice vases. I see quite a lot of people on TikTok have this and they just put fake tulips in it or something. Whoa, that's a huge cylinder. I got a nice drink on Latchu from Primark home and it was only £4. It was in a sale. Ooh, it smells lovely around here. Yeah, I wanted like a tall olive tree plant, but these are all, I don't know what type of trees these are. Warehouse, yeah, time to get some photos. We just took some photos, but the lighting's a bit weird in here, but I'm gonna have a look at them in the car. Just for the thumbnail, really. We're gonna go pay and get out of here. Just bought everything. We didn't get any Swedish fish though, but Dane and Magagao, whoever it is. Right, we're gonna go to the car and finish this video. Here we are. Ikea is done. It's actually just started raining. That is the end of this week's video. We're back in the car. Did you get everything on your list?
Apart from baking trays, which we're going to go to TK Maxx and get.
I got pillows, pillow covers and stuff for my pasta. I'll be putting them on my TikTok and stuff like that next few days. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Poppy being on the channel. Let me know if you want her on the channel again or if you want us to go anywhere else together. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and we'll see you guys. Well, you won't see them. I'll see them next week for another video. Bye guys.
Bye.